this is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. So I have this 2017 X5 that we're doing an Audison speaker upgrade, and we got it all done. And it was pretty much everything was drop-in. So we pulled out the factory Harman Kardon speaker here and replaced it with the Audison two-way system, which is consists of a tweeter and a mid-range. We did the exact same kit in the rear, and I'll post the kit on here and tell you which kit it is. And then we upgraded the 8-inch woofers under the seat to Audison 8-inch woofers. Now the difference really is this car has a lot of impact now, because the factory woofer was an 8-ohm woofer, and the Audison upgrade was a 4-ohm woofer, so it actually bangs really well. So we'll listen to it real quick. So check it out. This upgrade was pretty simple. The hardest part was the actual doing the woofers on the seat, because you literally got to pop the seat out, and then you basically got to modify, but you got to get them from out of the actual physical housing. And then once you do that, it's actually pretty hard. But you know, you got to cut it with a razor knife and use a flathead screwdriver and pry them out. But once you get them out and get them in, it's well worth the cost. So check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this is just a simple speaker upgrade in an X5 2017. I'm pretty sure this fits a lot of other ones. This is not really an X5. This is an M-series X5. So this is a really good upgrade for this customer. Take it out.